Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing today? I'm going to talk about dogs versus cats. Now, most people are very adamant about one or the other. They're dog people or they're cat people, and then there's a group that loves both animals, and lots of animals: chickens, goats, monkeys, zebras. I grew up in a family that had cats. My sister brought strays home all the day. She never, all the time. Once, there's times 2, 3, 4 cats lying around. She would never do that with dogs. So I never had a dog growing up. And I know how cats behave. Cats and dogs are totally opposite. So it'd be interesting on your thoughts what you think. Dogs or cats? Cats are snooty, independent, moody, finicky, curious as heck, but so are dogs. And both are fantastic athletes. I mean, the cat, you ever see a cat jump up on top of a wall or run through a hole like this big? They just do it. I don't know how they do it. But if you call a cat to come over and they're not in the mood, they won't. A dog, always. Obedient. Dogs, obedient. Cats, aloof. If you want to pet a cat and they don't want you to, what do? They push you away and take off. If you're sleeping and you don't want to be bothered by the cat, but the cat wants you to pet him, they will come and sit on your face until you pet them. And then they'll purr. Cats. Finicky little guys. Now dogs, on the other hand, if you say, "Come here, boy, you want a pet?" they come running over. If you want to go outside, they're right there next to you. A cat, go outside. Good, I got the house to myself. They don't care. Dogs are loyal, obedient, friendly. They'd step in front of a bus for you, or a bullet. A cat would sit there and watch, lick one of its paws, and then walk away. But equally, depending on your choice, they're great pets. So let me know if you're a dog or a cat lover, and give me some comments on that. Me, believe it or not, I've never had a dog. And just like people, to me, dogs aren't all the same, as we know. There's some vicious dogs, there's some angry dogs, there's some really sweet dogs that no matter what, they'll let you pet them. There's dogs that automatically growl. I know it's territorial for them, but if I had to pick, it would be none of the above. So for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.